Super fast egg recipe. Eggs 10. Onions 2 big, chopped. Green chilies 5-6. Oil 5 tablespoons. Sliced onion. Splitted green chilies. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Keep on medium flame. Fry until transparent. Now add the eggs carefully, one by one. Black pepper powder half teaspoon. Salt half teaspoon. Keep on low flame for 3-4 minutes. Serve with hot steamed rice. Eggs done super fast.